really not.
Open it.
You've got a picture of some guy's face under
No, it's my own face.
your
Open the
chin.
fucking door.
I'm not opening my fucking door.
It's my car.
Why can't you, dick?
No, it's not.
Hey, Jamie, go get a police officer. This guy's trying to rob my car.
I mean, it's our car.
Oh, it's my
Oh,
car.
that's what I was saying.
No,
You keep saying it's his
we
car.
got pulled over before, and it was the right registration. So, I mean, I don't know if you're trying to rob a car off us.
Alright, it really looks like my car though.
Well,
If
if
you
it was
can't
your
access
car,
it.
surely you'd have the keys to it.
Well, no, because I woke up in a hospital and I got robbed. I mean, if you can unlock the doors, then I believe it's your car. You know. I'll just step away from it. You know.
That's pretty sure you saw me get out of it, mate.
We're not gonna do that.
All right. Okay. Could you kick? Yeah. Fuck. Have you seen another one?
No, I've not seen
Fuck.
anything.
Yeah, this is at max speed I'm going. That's gonna move the speed, to be honest.
And I will always tell you to go fuck yourself. Alright. Have you seen a black guy with a ginger head?
What?
Have you seen a black guy with a ginger hair?
Wait, a black guy with ginger hair, what?
Yeah. Have you seen one?
No,
Oh. Okay.
sorry.
Yeah, you know.
Oh, cop is stealing my car.